Want a virtual puppy that's cute, interactive, and AI powered? Today we're reviewing Digital Doggo. But the real question is this AI puppy actually worth it or just another app with fluff? Let's break it down. So, Digital Doggo is an AI driven virtual puppy app that lets you interact, play, and care for a digital dog. You can teach tricks, go on walks, customize your pup's personality, and see animations that respond to your inputs, all without the mess of a real dog. Here's what users actually like: cute and engaging experience. The animation's responses are fun, and many people find it relaxing after a long day. No real world responsibilities. No food, walks in rain, pet bills, or shedding. Just fun pet interaction on your phone. It's perfect if you want puppy vibes without the commitment. However, here's the reality: it's just a toy, not a real companion. And for people craving a living pet connection, it can feel shallow or repetitive after a while. Some users say features are limited or simplistic compared with other pet toys, and progress may feel slow unless you keep coming back. So is Digital Doggo worth it? Yes, if you want a lighthearted, fun digital pet that gives you cute interactions and a break from stress. But if you're looking for lifelike complexity or emotional depth, it's more like a novelty than a deep AI companion. The bottom line is great for quick fun and puppy energy, not a replacement for real apps or deep AI friendships. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.